Okay. Well, there was this little kid, and I was walking down the street, and he just rode his bike in front of me, and I just started yelling at him, and he just started yelling for the cops and for his mom, and then everybody in the park they just came and got me, and I couldn't move. I think they were trying to hurt me or something. Oh, it makes me so angry. Oh, gosh. Makes me want to just attack or something. But, you know, I'm not going to attack because I won't attack people. But then the day after that, I was walking through the park and this baby in a stroller just started crying. It was so annoying, and there was no mom or dad around him, so I just, you know, I wanted to keep the baby, but my mom said, "No, you can't keep the baby." Sometimes I just want a baby or something. Well, since I gotta go, I think maybe you gotta go too or something, but, well, I gotta go. Bye.